Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you back into my home once again. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how to style out your coffee table for the spring and Easter season. Now this one is going to be a little bit of rustic, but a whole lot of glam, and I hope you will enjoy it. Now this book that I'm sharing with you is by Preston Bailey. If you're ever in need of some ideas, motivation, and inspiration of checking out or trying to decide what you want to do for an event, for floral arrangements, this book is perfect. I loved it so much, I ordered 2 of them, of course by mistake, but I'm going to use them as my centerpiece for this styling here. Now you see my little rustic vessel that I have here. This was purchased from Hobby Lobby. And all I'm going to do is add some greenery, some glam eggs, and some flowers to this. This, on top of those books, will be that statement piece as you walk into the room. It is what you will see. Those are those disco ball eggs that I was speaking of. Now these flowers are called, I think, ranunculus, but anywho, we're going to add those in on top of the greenery. Greenery to me is like icing on the cake. It just brings that special touch that is needed when you are styling and designing. Now this is just my opinion. This is what it does for me. It feels like the icing that you're putting on that beautiful cake that you just brought out of the oven. So, guys, hope you will enjoy this video. Go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax, maybe get a snack. I do all the work, and all I need for you guys to do is give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you appreciate the creativity that we bring to you guys, the motivation and the inspiration. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my family. And I hope that you will enjoy all of the videos that I share with you as I do a little bit of crafting. I do decorating my home. You just see me out and about, but I am going to decorate this space. So continue to watch, enjoy the music.